Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, my boxing channel. My name is Joe, JTD Boxing, and welcome back to another glove review. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I thought I would hop on and do it. So, the gloves that I'm going to be reviewing today, as you probably know because you've clicked on this video and you've seen the title, are these. The Venum Challenger 3.0. So these are the gloves from Venum that are aiming to be mid-range, so they're not their cheapest gloves, but they're not the most expensive either. They're just nice and mid-range. I got mine, as you can see, in the black and red. Obviously the text is only reversed for you guys, by the way, because I'm doing this using my phone with a reverse view, so everything's reversed. But it does say Venum going down the glove, obviously with the V starting at the top and going down. Yeah, so I got these gloves for my birthday, so thank you to my mum and dad for that. And I thought I'd give them a review. So starting off with the glove, these are 14s, these ones, I believe. I don't know if it says anywhere. Anyway, these are 14 ounces. So if I put my hand in the glove so you guys can see what they look like actually on my hands. So there's the glove on my hand. Very comfortable, openable palm to a certain extent. It's not super flexible. It kind of encourages your hand to be in this fist position, but you can open it slightly for catching and parrying shots if you would like to. The colours on this are really, really nice. I really like the colours on this, and also the 3D kind of engraved label. That's almost like a rubbery material. That is really nice. That goes from here to here on the strap. These are Velcro. You can't get these in lace-ups. These are only available as a Velcro glove. As you can see on the, where is it? There we go. Again, you won't be able to see it because it's back to front. But this basically just says, designed in France and high quality. So the main thing that these gloves, that make these gloves different to my other gloves, these are synthetic leather. These are not real leather. So these are made out of a separate material from leather. And they are synthetic. I'm not exactly sure the material. I'd imagine it'd be some sort of compound, you know, again, to like Forks leather. Yeah. So, another nice thing, you've got 3.0 labelled on there for the Challenger 3.0. You've got your, again, as I said at the start, the Venum coming right down here. And you've almost got like this tribal design that looks really cool. Let me think of other things I can mention. Really nice padding inside these, as you can see, nice and thick, especially on the cuff. You can actually physically see the padding there. Very spongy, very nice. That's also good for, if you're covering up, you've got that there to, you know, if you're covering up and someone hits you with your strap, obviously your strap will be shut when you're boxing. Someone hits you here, it's nice and padded, lots of firm padding in the wrist. As you can see, there's quite a ridge on these gloves. As you can see down there, there's quite a ridge. And I'm not sure if these are actually designed for Muay Thai, because Muay Thai gloves are the same. They're designed to have a lot of flex in the wrist for when Muay Thai kickboxers are clinching and kneeing. I'm not sure, but these would probably work quite well for Muay Thai kickboxing as well, because of the lots of flexibility in that wrist there, up and down, which would be good. Again, for kickboxing. So if you're looking at kickboxing, these would be good as well. I personally use them for boxing only, but that would also be very good. Let me think of something else. Another thing that I really like about these gloves, if you look underneath the, I don't know what that would even be called, where your hand grips over on the curve, it's actually like a material section. As you can see there, it's like a, I don't know, it's a very soft fabric material and it's really comfortable. The grip bar there is also really good. The gloves just feel good in general, really. These are about £50, I think, which is on the budget side of Venum stuff, but these are really, really nice. They're quite a thick set glove. I mean, again, look, these are only the 14 ounces. Again, these are synthetic leather. But these are really nice. I've used them quite a lot over the last few months. My birthday was in May. I'll give you guys a look at the actual palm as well. Just really nice good clean stitching. Yeah, obviously Venum are the sponsor for the UFC now. I had to think about that there. All of the gear in the UFC is now Venum. They have a sponsorship deal now. But all in all, really good. Love the colours. Synthetic leather, not real leather, so it's a little bit more supple, as you can see, than leather. It actually, when I first put these on, they felt broken in already. Obviously with leather gloves, that's the main thing. Leather gloves are very tough when you first get them, whereas these were already very nice and just broken in, and they just felt like I didn't even need to break them in. So yeah, thank you for watching this quick little review that I've done of the Venum Challenger 3.0. I hope you all enjoyed this review. If you would like me to review any more, let me know please. If I can do it, I will. I do have a review of some RDX lace to Velcro converters soon. That'll be coming out. And yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye bye for now, guys. Take care.